What's up, everyone? Today we're diving into how to incorporate Network Time Protocol, or NTP, into our Sketchware Pro projects. To kick things off, let's make sure we have everything set up correctly. Start by going to Settings. Then navigate to App Settings. Ensure that the first three options are turned on. These options will ensure that all the blocks that are initially hidden become visible. Now, head over to the Block Manager. Create a new palette called NTP Client and feel free to choose your favorite color for it. Import the blocks that I've included. You can find the link to these files in the description below. Next, move on to the Component Manager. Import the component. Lastly, for the events, import them from the Event Manager. And that should cover everything we need to get started. Let's begin the project. Click on New Project. Name the project whatever you want. This part is optional. Go back to the project configuration. Turn off View Binding and turn on Remove Deprecated Methods. I'll set the minimum SDK to 26 and keep everything else as is. Back in the project, go to Build Settings. Enable D8 and choose between Java 1.8, 1.9, 10, or 11, whichever you prefer out of the four. Let's talk about the layout. Just give me a sec to figure that out. All right, I reckon that's good to go. Starting with the text view, that's where we'll display the time from the NTP server. Then we have the edit text, where we'll type in the NTP server to get the time. And lastly, a button to kick off the process of fetching the time from the NTP server. Go to the Component tab. Add a new NTP client component. Now, move on to the Event tab and then to the Component section. Include the two component events. After that, click on the On-Click button event in the View section. Add the second block from the NTP client options. Make sure to set the port to 123, which is the default for NTP. Include the Get Text from Text View block for the server. Then, add the NTP Fetch Time block. Next, navigate to the Time Received event in the Component section. Add the Set Text in Text View block. Use the last block from the NTP client options to convert the time from the NTP server into a more readable format. When it comes to handling errors, let's keep it simple. Lastly, make sure to add the internet permission so that our project can connect to the NTP server. And that should be everything. Let's test our project. Now that's about everything. If you have any questions, suggestions, or perhaps you just want to say hello, feel free to drop a comment. Leave a like if you found the video helpful. Subscribe for more of this content, and I'll see you on the next one.